Want to boost your credit score fast? Whether you're applying for a mortgage, a car loan, or just want better financial health, I'll show you exactly how to raise your score, step by step, using tools and tips that actually work. Let's dive in. Welcome to Polished Wealth, where we help you take control of your money with real, actionable strategies. Today we're talking about how to improve your credit score quickly, and I've broken it down into 10 simple steps that anyone can follow. 1. Check your credit report. You can pull your credit reports for free from annualcreditreport.com. This is the only official site to get reports from all three bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Look for errors, duplicate accounts, or suspicious activity, and if you find anything, dispute it immediately. You can dispute any errors online directly through each bureau's website. Number 2. Pay down credit card balances. This helps improve your credit utilization ratio, which makes up 30% of your score. Ideally, keep it under 30% or even better, below 10%. This one step alone can give you a quick boost. Credit utilization is a fancy term for how much of your credit you're using compared to how much you have available. Let's say you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit. If you've charged $300 to that card, your credit utilization ratio is 30%. If you've charged $800, your utilization is 80%, which is high and could hurt your credit score. Credit experts recommend keeping your utilization below 30%, but under 10% is even better if you want to boost your score fast. Number 3. Set up automatic payments. Never miss a payment again. Set up autopay or calendar reminders. Payment history is the biggest factor in your score, so even one late payment can set you back. Number 4. Become an authorized user. If a family member or close friend has a long-standing credit card with good payment history, ask to be added as an authorized user. You don't need to use the card. Just being listed can help increase your score by adding their good payment history to your file. This can improve your length of credit history and lower your utilization rate. Number 5. Sign up for Experian Boost. It's free, and it lets you add utility and streaming payments to your credit report. Many people see a jump of 5 to 20 points almost instantly. Normally, bills like your electricity, water, phone, or Netflix subscription don't show up on your credit report, so they don't help your credit score, even if you pay them on time every month. How it works, step by step. You sign up for Experian Boost at Experian.com Boost. You connect your bank account where your bills are paid from. Experian scans for on-time payments to things like phone bills, AT&T, Verizon, etc. Utility bills, gas, electric, water. Streaming services, Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, etc. Once it finds those payments, you choose which ones to add to your credit report. Number 6. Dispute any inaccuracies. Did you find something wrong on your credit report? Dispute it online through the credit bureau's website. They're required to respond within 30 days. Fixing even one error can raise your score fast. Mistakes occur, like accounts showing that don't belong to you. Incorrect balances, or the wrong payment history, such as a creditor reporting a payment as late, even though you paid on time. Number 7. Avoid opening too many new accounts. Too many hard inquiries can drop your score. Only apply for new credit when necessary, and space out applications by at least 6 months. Number 8. Don't close old accounts. It may seem smart to close unused accounts, but the length of credit history plays a role in your score. Unless there's a fee involved, keep them open. Let's say you opened your first credit card 10 years ago and another one just last year. If you close the old card, your average credit history gets shorter, because now your oldest account is only 1 year old instead of 10. Number 9. Consider a secured credit card. Got bad or no credit? Apply for a secured credit card. You'll put down a deposit, but every on-time payment gets reported and builds your score month by month. Number 10. Monitor your progress monthly. Track your credit with free tools like Credit Karma or Credit Sesame, or through your credit card issuer. Watching your score grow is incredibly motivating. Here's a quick recap. 1. Get your free credit reports. 2. Pay down credit cards. 3. Set autopay. 4. Become an authorized user. 5. Use Experian Boost. 6. Dispute errors. 7. Limit credit applications. 8. Keep old accounts. 9. Use a secured credit card. 10. Monitor monthly. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe to Polished Wealth for more real-world personal finance advice. Download our free credit improvement checklist below to start taking action today. Remember, building wealth starts with building your credit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.